Welcome home to Osten Lane, space and style you can't explain.
Hi, I'm Lori with Team Gabriel Coldwell Banker, and I'm standing in our newest listing. Beautifully maintained and move-in ready. This 4-bedroom, 3 full bath townhouse, thoughtfully designed living space in the desirable Dutch Point community. Built in 2011, the open concept kitchen, dining, and living area creates an ideal flow for everyday living and entertaining. A first-floor bedroom with full bath access provides flexibility for guests, multi-generational living, or a private office. Enjoy modern flooring, gas heat, central air, and the confidence of original owner care. The 2-car garage has been finished for bonus living space. Perfect for a family room or exercise area. Outside features include a fenced yard and covered front porch, rare for townhouse living. Conveniently located near Hartford, highways, parks, shopping, dining, hospitals, and public transportation. This home offers exceptional comfort, flexibility, and value. If you'd like to be among the first to receive photos of this gorgeous unit, then send me an email at team@teamgabriel.net, or you can call me at 860-926-5101.